in the previous class we have completed the TS diagram, that is the relation between the graph between the temperature and the entropy of the substances. So in this class we are starting new topic, that is the Maxwell thermodynamic relations. So this Maxwell thermodynamic relation can be deducted by making the use of first and second law of the thermodynamics, which I already know. First law of thermodynamics, the statement of first law of thermodynamics: if the substance absorbs a very small amount of heat, that is the del Q, at a constant pressure, then the part of this heat can be used to raise the temperature, so which result in the increasing entropy of the substances, or the internal energy of the substances, and the rest of the heat is used in doing work in allowing the substances to increase the volume by an amount dV against the external pressure. So according to the first law, that is del Q is equals to du plus del W. So therefore del Q is equals to du plus P dV. Okay. So from this equation we can write du is equals to del Q minus P dV. So this is the first number equation which right here. Internal energy is equals to del Q is the small amount of heat is absorbed to the substances, and this is the pressure, and this is the dV. Okay. Then the second law: if the substance absorb a very small amount of heat del Q at a temperature T, and if all the changes that it undergoes are perfectly reversible, then the change in entropy ds is equal to del Q by T. So according to second law of thermodynamics, or second law of entropy, that means according to second law, del Q is equals to, change in entropy del S is equals to del Q by T. So therefore del Q is equals to T into delta S. So this is the second number relation, del Q is equals to T ds. So substituting the value of del Q in equation first, that means this del Q has the value same, so therefore put this value to delta S. Substitute equation 2 in first. So therefore, which gives du is equals to T delta S minus P dV. Okay. So this is the third number, and we write here T delta S because we want to use here entropy. Okay. T ds minus, here also T ds, change in entropy ds. So that's why we take here perfect differential of ds. T ds is equals to T ds minus P dV. This is the third number equation. Okay. du is equals to T ds minus P dV. Then considering u, s and v to be the function of two independent variable x and y. So here considering u, v and s are the function of two independent variable x and y. This x and y are the independent variable. So here x and y can be any two variables out of p, v, t, s. Means we know that there are four types of variables: p, v, t, s. So we can take any. So therefore we take a x and y or any arbitrary number. So therefore du is equals to, so therefore dv can be written in the form of two variables, that is du is equals to del u by del x with the constant y. Okay, means there is a derivation del u by del x at constant y plus del u by del y at constant x. So this is the value of du. Then next one is the ds. This ds is equals to del s by del x at constant y plus del s by del y at constant x, and dv is equals to del v by del x at constant y plus del v by del y at constant x. Okay, so these are the values of du, ds and dv. So substituting these values in equation third. Here equation third has du, ds and dv. So put this value of ds, dv, du, ds and dv in equation third. Substitute in equation third, we get first of all du, which has the value du is equals to, we write here del u by del x at constant y plus del u by del y at constant x is equal to t into value of ds, that is del s by del x at constant y plus del s by del y at constant x. This is the ds. Then again minus p into and value of dv, that is del v by del x at constant y plus del v by del y at constant s. Okay, so this is the equation 3 after putting the value of du, ds and du. So comparing the coefficient of dx and dy, we get, so after solving, this t is multiplied to both term x and y, this t is multiplied to x and y. Then again comparing the coefficient of x and y, we get del u by del x, this is the x term and this is the x term. So we get del u by del x at constant y is equals to t into del s by del x at constant y, and this sign is the minus, and minus p into del v by del x at constant y. Second form, del u by del y at constant x is equals to t into del s by del y at constant x minus p into del v by del y at constant x. So we get the two equation. So this equation has the number 4 number equation and 5 number equation. Okay, after comparing coefficient of x and or dx and dy, here we write dx and dy and dy. We get the two equation number 4 and equation number 5. So differentiate equation 4 with respect